Today we will learn Vickers hardness test. Aim: to determine the hardness of the given specimen using Vickers hardness test. Apparatus required: Vickers hardness testing machine, diamond cone indenter, specimen. Theory: very hard materials, example mild steel, case hardened steel, etc. can be tested by the Vickers method. If the moderately hard materials like brass, copper and aluminum are tested in this machine, the indenter makes a deep impression. Hence, a proper indentation cannot be made on the specimen and correct value of the hardness cannot be obtained for these materials by VH test, means Vickers hardness test. VHN, Vickers hardness number, is equal to load sloping or pyramidal area of the indentation. This test is similar to the Brenner hardness test, similar relationship, and eliminates most of the errors. The produced impression is projected onto a focusing screen and the diagonals of the impression are measured by means of the measuring equipment. Due to small impressions, it is very suitable for testing polished and hardened material surfaces. This test is rapid and accurate. The required load as calculated by P by D square ratio is applied on the specimen for a standard time of 8 to 10 seconds, and BHN, Brenner hardness number, is calculated by the ratio of the load and the spherical area of indentation. The diameter of the indentation is measured on the focusing screen of the machine. Suitable application: first, Vickers hardness test is used for hardness testing of all solid materials including metallic materials. Second, it is suitable for a wide range of applications. Third, it can also be used for a subgroup of hardness testing of welds. Figure 3 shows you Vickers hardness testing machine. Procedure: A. Clean the surface at the specimen. B. Fix the interior in the hardness tester and switch on the power supply. C. Place the specimen with a cleaned surface facing the interior on the anvil at work table. D. Focus the workpiece surface for clean visibility by rotating the handwheel at the work table upwards and downwards. E. Select the load specified P push button available on the right side at the hardness tester. If accurate the electric push button green button at the front for loading, the loading lever starts moving upwards and reaches the steady position. G. Now release the loading lever slowly and bring it to the downward position. H. For measure reading, adjust the display at the indentation made by the indenter to coincide with the micrometer on the display screen. I. For measure or minor reading, adjust the movable side at the micrometer and note down the total reading. J. The measurement is to be made for two opposite corners of the diagonal indentation denoted as L. K. Repeat the above procedure for different materials. Observation and calculation. Type of indenter is equal to diamond cone. यहाँ पे हम डायमंड कोन इंडेंटर को यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Vickers hardness number VHN is equal to 1.854 P divided by L square, where P is equal to load applied in kg, small l is equal to average length of the diagonal capital L in mm, least count of microscope is equal to 0.001 mm, first scale each division is equal to 0.1 mm. Precautions: first, the specimen should be well cleaned. Second, place the specimen properly. Third, reading must be taken carefully and correctly. Results: Vickers hardness number of the given specimen is: first, mild steel is equal to; second, hardened mild steel is equal to